Down south slangin', rollin' with these hustlers, tryin' to get rid of all you haters and you busters. Down south slangin', rollin' with these hustlers, tryin' to get rid of all you haters and you busters. What's the sense of it all? Pimpin' powder and pussy, tryin' to make pennies. See niggas lie on the stand, guess hell ain't harder than prison, who knows? In the 90s, the traffic stop get you tickets, a joke. Now they find you a traffic stop, get you riddled with holes. We be living too fast, we be sippin' it slow. One of my niggas was selling work, now he selling out shows. I'm EJ, that's growth. Pay attention, take note. You over 40 and moving work, better be by the boat. Better be by the dock, better not be by your home. If niggas really won't hurt you, they gon' leave you alone. Cause them peoples is coming, where your loyalty, youngin'? When a rapper say free my nigga, his lawyers get hungry. And everybody wanna be a trap nigga, cause them rap niggas get paid. And don't nobody wanna be a trap nigga when them bad niggas got you on tape. Art imitating life, now y'all just saying lies. Got these suburban nights thinking y'all ain't afraid to fight. Right in the mirror, crying a little, you shaking right? Your soul is in prison and there is no visitation rights. Down south slang, music with these hustlers. Keep it true to self and never sell out with these busters. I ain't finna tap dance, I don't give a fuck though. Keep it true to self and keep a crew of niggas cut though. Down south slangin', rollin' with these hustlers, tryin' to get rid of all you haters and you busters. Down south slangin', rollin' with these hustlers, tryin' to get rid of all you haters and you busters. Down south slangin', rollin' with these hustlers, tryin' to get rid of all you haters and you busters. Down south slangin', rollin' with these hustlers, tryin' to get rid of all you haters and
I think it's some sort of mass hypnosis or something.
Pull up in motorcades, I got a show today. It's all I'm trying to do, hustle and motivate. Choppers a throwaway, hustle the overweight. That's why they follow me, huh? They think I know the way, cause I took control of things, ballin' the solo way. And if you proud I make you my protege. Slossing that soldier race. Niggas don't know them days. Take you in back of the buildings. Make you expose your rage. Take you across the tracks. Make you explode the face. Now you official now, but you got a soul to save. I just been cooking that new. I'm about to drop in a few. Think if I call it the great, the people gon' call it the truth. I ain't really trip on the credit. I just paid all of my dues. I just respected the game. Now my name all in the news. Tripping on all of my moves. Quote me on this, got a lot more to prove. Remember I came in this bitch fresh out the county with nothing to lose.
For nothing, no. On the ground, you. But I don't do this shit for nothing. No, no, not at all. You. But my money real, that you do. Oh, yeah, so I don't do this shit for nothing. No, not at all. Oh, I told her I got.
By the bruise like a fucking breath. I got respect in 100 sets. Too many chains, need another chest. Playing no games if it wasn't chess. Cut from that cloth that you couldn't stretch. Cut from that circle you couldn't test. Heavily pressured and under stress. Even though niggas ain't sure we was a mess. Honest attempt playing to the left. Judge a young nigga by their dress. Left us no option, what they expect. Only thing we knew for sure is the bait is set. Fuck living basic, I'm taking risks. Fuck what they saying, I'm saying this. Don't waste your time, it don't make you rich, it don't mean nothing, so fuck them, let's make a grip. Double up, triple up, make assists. Ballin' so hard you can play a bitch. Lead to the lake if they wanna fish. Make sure them niggas around you stick to the script. This should be written in stone. You should come visit my zone. Don't take my word, double check all of my flows. Ask them how hustle got on, but fuck what you heard. This for who walked down that road. Sold everything but they sold, straight off the curb. Real niggas rich as you nerds. Address to whom and make it sound. I don't do this for nothing. Nah.
On the ground, you. But I don't do this shit for nothing. No, no, not at all. You. But my money real, that you do. Oh, yeah, love. So I don't do this shit for nothing. No, not at all. Oh, I told her I got. All money in, nigga. Hustling.